Shop at Dollar Tree with me and I'll show you how to save lots of money on travel and packing, including all the new TSA guidelines. This episode is sponsored by Lumi deodorant. Run to Dollar Tree for this first budget-friendly travel hack. Pick up a hanging 8-pocket shoe organizer in the closet organization section. We're going to create an 8-piece travel wardrobe that has over 15 combinations. I'm using pieces of duct tape to label each of these pockets. The 3 on the left will say top, the 3 on the right will say bottom, and the bottom 2 pockets will say layer. Using this system, you can mix and match pieces to make so many combinations. And I'm going to show you exactly what I used to pack. These pieces are simple, budget-friendly items from Walmart, and they each rinse out so you can wear them multiple times for each trip. Each of the tops and bottoms rinses easily, and they'll be dry in time for you to wear the next day. I'm Shannon, and this is Skip to My Life, where we talk all about small space organization. And really, there's no smaller space than a suitcase, especially with all the strict guidelines that are coming this year. Once you have your system in place, all you need to do is take that off the door, make sure you pack your hooks with you, fold it and place it in your suitcase. Make sure to save out the bulkiest items to wear your day of travel, and that will add even more choices to your mix and match wardrobe. If you're wondering exactly what I bought and what sizes I'm wearing, check out the link to my shop in the description box. With this system, you're ready for just about anything travel might bring. Because I have sensitive skin, I'm always on the lookout for products that won't irritate, especially in those super sensitive areas. I'm so glad I found Lumi, a whole body deodorant for pits, privates, and beyond. I can feel confident using anywhere I need odor control. Lumi was invented by a female OBGYN named Shannon. It's clinically proven to block odor all day and continues controlling odor for up to 72 hours. Lumi has sprays, wipes, cream, stick, and gel options, and comes in 8 different scents. My favorite is toasted coconut. I think it smells just like the beach. Lumi's starter pack bundle is a great deal for new customers. It comes with a full-size stick deodorant, cream deodorant, or spray deodorant, 2 free products like the wipes or the mini body wash, free US shipping, and just for my followers, Lumi is offering an extra $5 off when you click the link in my description box or pinned comment. Enter the code SSTML at checkout. That's a deal of over 40% off. Click on the link in my description box or my first comment and try Lumi. If you haven't heard yet, there are new, much stricter air travel guidelines for suitcases and personal items. I'm giving you some general guidelines here, but make sure that before you take on any air travel, you thoroughly research your airline's guidelines so that you won't be caught at the gate having to check items. Airlines that previously checked bags for free are now charging. So it's more important than ever that we learn how to pack efficiently and use all the tips and tricks we can. Here's a budget-friendly hack for that one pair of shoes you just can't do without, especially if they're a slender pair or a pair of flats. Unzip that suitcase and slip those shoes in between the interior bars, zip it back up, and you will have used that space wisely. Pick up a package of 10 shower caps from the Dollar Tree and use those over the bottoms of your shoes so that you can pack them without worrying about getting your suitcase or your clothes dirty. I like to save as much money as possible when traveling so I can spend that on the trip itself. Pick up a package of 2 large storage bags from the Dollar Tree and take them with you for wet storage. If you're going to a beach, these come in really handy for collecting any seashells or wet swimsuits for the trip back. That takes care of half our suitcase, and now we're going to flip to the other side and use a Dollar Tree drawer organizer to make the very most of the space. This system assembles in seconds by just zipping up the back. If it's a little too tall for your suitcase to close easily like it was for mine, bend the cardboard along each side so that it's a little bit more flexible to shut. Now we're ready to fill these spots with swimsuit, pajamas, undergarments, socks, and anything else you can think of. Dollar Tree is the budget-friendly way to organize your suitcase and your travel experience because you can just take this whole system out and put it right in your drawer, whether it's an Airbnb or a hotel. I even had room for my floppy sun hat. We've all heard horror stories about people having suitcases broken into and misplaced, so go to Dollar Tree and get some of their colorful zip ties. Use zip ties to secure the openings of fanny packs, zipper pulls, backpacks, and also to color code your luggage by family. Dollar Tree has so many travel friendly extras that are going to help you save money, especially on expensive airport drinks and snacks. Look for reusable coffee cups and hot cups that have a lid that screws on tight, as well as a covered mouthpiece. Leave your expensive water bottle at home and pick up one from Dollar Tree that again has a covered mouthpiece and a nice, generous handle. Bring along some flavor or coffee or tea pouches, and you will have a wonderful little beverage for so much less than you would normally pay. TSA liquid guidelines have varied a lot over the years, but here's a little Dollar Tree hack to help. This is a 4-in-1 liquid container. Each of these containers is just over 2 ounces. I labeled one of these 4 packages to take in the shower with me, and the other package to use at the sink for getting ready in the morning and in the evening. This amount of liquid really is enough to use for about a week's period of time. And if you can fill them up again with supplies at your location. The best part of this is that they both fit in one of these quart-sized Ziploc bags, or if you prefer, you can buy one of the purse organizers at Dollar Tree, and they're clear and fit in there as well. These little Dollar Tree purse organizers are great for travel and come in handy to help divide your personal item, which is up next. Rules have become stricter on these personal items, and we're not allowed to carry a purse in addition to a personal item anymore. So make sure that if you do want to carry a fanny pack or a purse, that it fits inside your personal item to zip up before the plane takes off. I'm using that same zip tie color coding system so that I can easily find all my items in the overhead rack. If you want to make travel much easier on your back and joints, invest in a personal item bag that has a sleeve that fits over the handle of your rolling suitcase. I shop at Dollar Tree for travel so that I can spend money where I really need it, like great luggage and wonderful destinations. And if you're an overpacker, here's one tip that's really helped me, and that is to get hard-sided luggage. There's absolutely no fudging. You can fit everything inside, and especially with the stricter rules now, you want to make sure your bag is not overpacked. Make sure to comment below and let me know where you're planning to travel. I feel like it's so much more fun to look forward to the destination when I know that when I open that suitcase, I can just pull out my hanging rack, hang it up in the closet, pull out my underwear and sock drawer and get my drawer all organized, and I'm set up in minutes. For me, travel has been the very best teacher and the greatest creator of memories. And thank you to Lumi for sponsoring this episode. Don't forget to click on the link below and use code SSTML. If you like today's video, I'm sure you're going to like this one next. And don't forget, my friends, that today is not the end of your story, so do not give up.